Sometimes we just need to shift from restlessness to calm, from tension to ease, from pressure to presence. And breath, especially breath through sound, is one of the simplest ways to do it. Take your harmonica. If you don't have one yet or don't know which to choose, go to BreathingWay.com. We'll help you find the right one for your practice. Now, just play on any 3 or 4 holes. Breathe in and out. No need to think. Just let your breath pass through the instrument. Don't force it. Follow your natural rhythm. Inhale, exhale. Let the sound be soft and effortless. Now, gradually begin to slow it down. Let the chords become longer, gentler, smoother. Feel how your breath begins to shape your state, how the body softens, how thoughts start to settle. The harmonica turns your breath into music, into rhythm, into release. This is a powerful self-regulation tool. It calms the nervous system, supports emotional stability, and for many, including people with asthma or respiratory tension, it can be a helpful breathing practice. Just check with your doctor first if you have any condition. This is Breathing Way. See you tomorrow.